learners, this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to a science class, and today we will going to study your lesson plan number 1, that is air pressure and wind from the block weather systems and maps. So students, first of all we have to know that what do you mean by air pressure and wind. So air pressure is the force caused by the weight of air pushing down on surfaces. Clear? Air pressure क्या होता है? It is a force which is caused by the weight of the air. Clear? And air is all around us. It exerts a pushing force upon every object and from all the directions, up, down and sideways too. And it is measured using a barometer, and proper unit for air pressure is millibars. Clear? And what do you mean by wind? Moving air is called wind. Air moves due to the differences in air pressures. Clear? It always moves from high air pressure to the low air pressure. Clear? And the proper unit of measuring wind speed is kilometer per hour, and wind speed is measured by anemometer. Clear? And wind direction is measured by wind vane. Winds are named by the direction from which they come. So an east wind is called wind coming from the east. Clear? You see that there is a picture in my hand, and through this picture we study about the high pressure area and about the low pressure area. Clear? This is a picture of a balloon. Students, sometimes we observe that if a balloon is filled with air and then we release the air, so what would happen in it? It means when we inflate the balloon, जब हम balloon में हवा inflate करते हैं, clear? Then the balloon will move through the air. And when balloons are inflated with air, the air pressure inside the balloon is increased and air will move out of the balloon. Clear? It means high air pressure refers to a region of air in the lower atmosphere that has relatively more air particles within it compared to the regions of air that surround it. It means कि high air pressure में क्या होता है? Air particles जो है वो ज़्यादा होते हैं. Air particles are मोर. किसमें होते हैं ये? इन हाई प्रेशर. अगर आप लो प्रेशर एरिया की बात करते हो, लो प्रेशर रीजन के अंदर, सो जो एयर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं दे आर लेस एज कंपेयर टू द हाई एयर प्रेशर एरिया. क्लियर? वी नो दैट एयर हैज मास एंड वॉल्यूम. सो द क्वेश्चन अराइज दैट व्हाई डज एयर ऑलवेज मूव फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो एयर प्रेशर? हमेशा हाई टू लो प्रेशर एरिया की तरफ ही एयर मूव क्यों करती है? So, an area of high air pressure has a greater air density than the areas of relatively lower air pressure that surround it. It means higher air pressure के अंदर density ज़्यादा होती है air की. Clear? And areas with more air, which means more air particles, have greater air pressure. Clear? And if a balloon is filled with the air and is taped to a wall, moving air can be observed moving out of the balloon. ठीक है? Air always moves from high to low air pressure area. Clear? It means कि उसके air particles ज्यादा होंगे as compared to the lower air pressure, और जब air particles ज्यादा होते तो उसकी air density भी ज्यादा होती है. So what happens to the density of air inside the balloon as more and more air is added to it? जब आप इसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा air add करोगे तो क्या होगा? And what is the relationship between air density and air pressure? Air density और air pressure के बीच में क्या relationship होता है? So students, more air is added to the inside of the balloon. The mass of balloon filled with air is greater than the mass of an identical empty balloon. अगर आप कोई एक empty balloon लेते हो, उसका जो mass होगा as compared to this balloon जिसके अंदर आपने air बहुत ज्यादा fill की है, वो ज्यादा होगा. So the density of air inside a balloon filled with air is always greater than the density of the air that surrounds a balloon filled with the air. क्लियर? इसकी डेंसिटी इस बैलून की जो कि डिफ्लेटेड है या इसके अंदर हवा नहीं है, इससे ज्यादा होगी. एज द डेंसिटी ऑफ एयर इंक्रीजेस, एयर प्रेशर ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. सो रिलेशनशिप क्या हुआ डेंसिटी और एयर प्रेशर के बीच में? अगर डेंसिटी ज्यादा होगी किसी भी एयर की, इट मीन्स एयर प्रेशर भी उतना ही इंक्रीज्ड होगा. So student, this is all about your topic. Now we do our worksheet. So open your workbook and on page number 45, the first question is, wind, what do you mean by wind? So wind is the movement of air due to the differences in air pressure, or you can say that moving air is known as wind. And in the next question you have to write that why does air move, And in which direction does air always move? So air moves due to the differences in air pressure. Air always moves from high to low air pressure. Clear? And in the next part of this question, you have to write that what are the two main types of weather systems. So the two main types of weather system are high pressure and low pressure. And next part of this question, you have to write that what happens to the air pressure inside a bicycle tire when air is released from the tire. So the air pressure inside the tire decreases as air is released. अगर हम उसमें एयर इन्फ्लेट करते हैं तो उसका जो अंदर का एयर प्रेशर है वो इंक्रीज होता है, लेकिन अब हमने क्या किया, एयर रिलीज की है, सो उसका जो एयर प्रेशर होगा इनसाइड द टायर इज डिक्रीज्ड. क्लियर? एंड इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट यू हैव टू राइट दैट explain daily changes in air pressure in the lower atmosphere. So due to the differential heating of the atmosphere, air pressure changes daily and air pressure is different in different places. हमेशा अलग अलग होता है एयर प्रेशर हर एक रीजन का, क्योंकि there is lot of differential heating of the atmosphere. This forms wind and greatly influences weather, और यही weather system को भी influence करता है. And the next part of this question, you have to write that what is the relationship between differences in air pressure and wind speed. So as the differences in air pressure between two weather systems becomes greater, the wind speed between the weather system, it also increases. So students, I hope you all understand. This is all about your topic. Thank you and have a nice day.